This is the 2018 Verve 40, a triple-engine express cruiser with 1,050 horsepower, a factory Seakeeper, and a full stateroom below. I'm Tony, and here is everything you need to know about this boat. The Verve 40 runs 42 feet 9 inches overall, 12 feet 9 inches of beam, and draws 3 feet 2 inches. Displacement is 29,000 pounds. Power comes from 3 Mercury 350 Verado outboards mounted on a clean transom bracket, 1,050 total horsepower, all three within 9 hours of each other at 580 hours. For a used triple-engine setup, that uniformity is exactly what you want to see. Helm electronics lead with dual Raymarine HybridTouch multifunction displays and Axiom dome radar. Mercury vessel view monitors engine data at the console. The Mercury joystick with skyhook handles low-speed maneuvering and holds position in current without anchor. A side-power foredeck thruster completes the docking package. Fuel capacity is 475 gallons, fresh water is 66 gallons. The Kohler 11 kilowatt generator carries 148 hours. On it, 2 zones of air conditioning. Shore power is 50 amp. The factory Seakeeper 5 gyro stabilizer. At anchor or at speed, it changes the experience. And a factory installed unit on a used boat at this price is rare. Below deck, 1 private stateroom, 1 head with an electric Tecma system, sleeping 4. The galley is fully equipped. Kenyan 2-burner electric stove, isotherm cabin refrigerator, and a Vitrifrigo cockpit refrigerator. The cockpit is built for entertaining, ice maker, outdoor sink, outdoor grill, dining table, and a wine cooler at the helm. Above deck, fiberglass hardtop with LED lighting, power retractable aft sunshade, aft swim platform, and teak decking throughout. LED underwater transom lights, and a foredeck sun pad up front. This Verve 40 is listed as the best price and best equipped version, currently in Boca Raton, Florida. Full spec sheet, summary, photos, and contact information are at yachtspecsdirect.com. If you want to talk about this boat directly, reach out to us at Minted Yachts. I'm Tony Smith. Thanks for watching, and let us know your feedback in the comments.
For additional information, please feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com. Also, feel free to text me at 404-805-9819.